What's up guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to jailbreak all iOS 10 versions without computer. This method will allow you to easily install Helix Jailbreak online from your iPhone, so you don't have to use PC or Mac. I'm on iOS 10.3.3 on iPhone 5C, and I will show you all the steps you need. So the first thing you will do is go to this website. Here you will find Helix Jailbreak signed and uploaded by me. You can install it directly from here, no PC required. Go ahead and press download. Now it will ask you to install Helix Jailbreak. Hit install. Now go to the home screen and you should find the app downloading. As you can see, just wait for it to finish downloading the app. I will speed up the video. And boom, as you see, the app has been successfully installed. Go ahead and open it. And that's it, Helix Jailbreak for all iOS 10 versions. Now let's jailbreak my device. Hit jailbreak button and it will run the exploit to jailbreak your device. Just wait for it to finish jailbreaking your device. It might fail the first time, so just re-jailbreak. And boom, it worked from the first time. Now go ahead and you should find Cydia icon on the home screen as you see. And that's it. Go ahead and open Cydia. Okay, this is Cydia. Just wait for the sources to finish refreshing. Once finished, you should upgrade all the tweaks and dependencies. I will speed up the video. As you see here, press complete upgrade to upgrade all the important tweaks and dependencies. I will speed up the video. If you see some errors like this, just ignore it. This is completely normal. Okay, hit respring springboard. Okay, if Cydia crashed, don't worry, just open it again and now your device is jailbroken. So this is Cydia. Now I will try to install any tweak. So I will install my favorite tweak, which is Filza file manager. Okay, this is it. I will install it. Okay, installed successfully. Go to the home screen and you should find Filza file manager as you see. And that's it. So this is how to jailbreak iOS 10 with Helix Jailbreak. It's very simple and easy. You should know this, guys. This is a paid method and it's not free. The links is in the description below this video. So guys, this is our video for today, and as always, if you enjoyed watching this video, give it a like, hit the subscribe button for more jailbreak videos, and peace.